So this is my 1954 Chevy Belair project car. And as you can see, it's had some stuff done on it, some pretty big stuff. Got a long ways to go. As you can see, we have a huge amount of parts here. So let's see, we got Dakota digital gauges, Optima battery tray. I've got rotors for it. I've got the calipers. There's some kick panels. I've got a complete resto mod AC system for it. Diamondback 20x8 tires. I've got some US wheels being finished up right now for it. Got new transmission and tunnel sheet metal. Got sheet metal for the floorboards. Got seats for the car. Those have to be installed at some point. And we've got a myriad of parts in here. Got some 1939 Ford lenses. I've got a Blueprint 383 stroker motor that was dynoed before they shipped it. It came in at 455 horsepower, 484 foot-pounds of torque. Should move it along pretty nicely. Got our flex plate there. Picked up a new breather for it. What else do we got? Well, we have some rear fender shells there for it. Got some new rockers for it. And let's see, what else do we have? Transmission mount. I do have motor mounts for it already. I've got wiring harness. There is a rear Mercury bumper that still needs to be fitted on. We've got one of our skirts off. 1959 inverted Chrysler taillights. The back has been set up to accept that bumper. The bumper is going to have to be cut a little bit. This is our inside here. We have a Gambino rear kit in here with your C-notched frame. We've got the airbags all set up. I was told this is a GM Suburban rear end system in it. We have a Mustang gas tank, I believe it's 65. We still have to do the sheet metal for the back, so I think I'm just going to order the loose floor sheet metal kit, and then we'll have to kind of just add on from there. In the back, this has been set up for a I believe it's a 48 Ford pickup truck window. And I actually have that right there. It's been taped up so we don't break it. I cannot recall how much of a chop there is on this. It's a lot though. So there's been a ton of work done here. And then as you can see, the typical Chevy fenders have been changed. And these are Mercury fender skirts that have been set up to go on here. Let's see what we can see on the inside here. Right now we have, this is a 1959 Impala dash that's been cut and sized to fit in here. So we just have that sitting in here temporarily so we can make some adjustments to it. There's one of my pro car seats that's going in. This is going to be just a two-seater. So we're going to pretty much do a simple interior on it. This is how the car came to me. This is a kind of a sheet metal setup that's been started here. And as you can see, the drive shaft tunnel has been raised up since the car is sitting so low. We're going to have to come in and we're going to have to change the transmission tunnel as well as the current drive shaft tunnel there to accommodate how low the car sits. And moving on down the front here, I'm going to have to open up this garage here. As you can see, it's very low in terms of the windshield there. I think I've got about 8-9 inches something like that. This is the headlight setup. Lenses will go in there. I was kind of playing around with these little chrome pieces here. Bumper's already on, and the facing has been, rather the opening here has been reconfigured. And as you can see, the hood line has been raised up and changed, rounded corners. We've got a Mustang 2 suspension set up in the front that is also airbagged. Sitting in the car is actually quite comfortable. I've got almost about 3 inches of headroom in there sitting on the seat, and I actually have pretty good visibility from the inside, even with the dash set up as it is. It of course sits up very, very close. We'll take another look at that from in here. Sorry for the lighting here. But it's going to be quite the project. And then just kind of coming over this way here, I also have a AccuAir Endo CVT tank, and then I purchased a separate control setup for it. It comes with a cell phone, which is wireless operation. You can voice operate it, and then we have our 4-corner sensor system with it as well. And we've got some speakers. We'll be getting some more speakers eventually. But there you have it for now. I guess you can consider this part 1. So as we move along, we'll be adding some more videos. Thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe. Check out some of our other videos. We're also building a 1962 Dodge D100 pickup truck. I have part 1 and part 2 on my videos as well. And it is for sale. Thanks for checking in.